Left align a pandas rolling object. Using pandas 0.18.1, I'd like to take the rolling average of a one-column data frame. Since version 0.18.0, this is done with rolling objects. The default for these rolling objects is to be right justified. There is a Boolean argument you can pass, center equals true, to align the rolling object to the center value, but there doesn't seem to be a way to left align it. Here's an example. The standard method automatically aligns to the right, so there's no value at the first two indices with a window of size 3. We can center align the operation like this. But what I'm looking for is this. I can accomplish this by doing it with the default right alignment, and then re-indexing it, or by reversing the order of the rows and then doing it right aligned, but these are workarounds for what should be a straightforward operation.
I think you can use Shift.
Another solution is to simply reverse the data frame/series before applying the right aligned rolling window, and re-reverse it afterwards. Something like the benefit over Shift is that it should work with variable-sized windows in case of time-based windows.
You can use a fixed forward window indexer as per the .rolling docs.